Honorable, the national president of the Igbo community here in Rivers State, it's a pleasure to have him here. You're welcome, brother.
Igbo Queens, MCs and comedians, and season because if ever will a day only go over like ever had a very mother will be identified, and I'm happy to identify with you. And my brother MC Harris. MC Harris. People in the Igbo community get their support. And I get their support not only now, because in the end of year, it was just end of year party, but here was celebration of talents. And I'm that in the non-eba, OPC can make at the whole world, matter that in the Igbo man at Port. And the best people they make and they Madeleine Mara on the MC. They make a Madeleine Mara, I want to Igbo at Port. People in this motor, and on behalf of AZ Brudu, Engineer Sam Okono, that we are solidly with you. In 2026, I get there in Rivers State before. I get there a ninth of ANC nickname never they may showcase their talent. And I got over Indi Boli Lemon and Rivers State, Kada no Diamond and Port. Igbo community in Rivers State went to over 4 million Igbos in Rivers State. And after that, there is no hall, there is no space that Bambi Bodi can put. But I will make sure that I will showcase. Igbo community is not a political party. All who in background in Igbo, and that is what we stand for. And if I'm any day, no matter the time, and anything going on, all in because we want to solve the problem of every Igbo son and daughter in Rivers State. I am sure that in the Igbo Rivers State that is fully represented in everything and there is nobody in Rivers State that's not applicant for anything. Without the support of Indigo, they may succeed. And in 2026, we must take advantage of our number. We must take advantage of our strength. Because I say, we have it. And as such a almost also crowd, and because the economy of this state, all the Ainaka. So we will not allow anybody to intimidate us, to push us around. I'm Indigo. We are nation builders. So because we send this something through MC Harris. We have this night so that everyone support. We have never. So thank you so much.